Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play EA Sports FC25 online with random players. Let's get started. The first mode is Online Season. In this mode, you play against random players and rank up as you win more matches. To play, go to Play, then select Seasons, then choose Play Match and pick your team, then select Search to find an opponent. Once matched, enjoy the game and try to climb divisions. Another way to play with random players is through Ultimate Team. Now go to Play menu inside Ultimate Team and here are your main options. Rush, a 5v5 match where you team up with a play against random players. Rivals, use your Ultimate Team squad to compare against random player in ranked matches. Friendlies, play casual matches that won't affect your competitive record. Choose the mode you prefer and start matchmaking. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.